bananas, you say peppers. And today, you guys, we have a very questionable, not really questionable, just maybe without a doubt, the strangest thing that I have ever purchased on Etsy. And I've once purchased a shirt covered in poo-poo, so that is saying a lot. Also, I keep using that like address stamp thing on all of my packages, but I forgot I just stamped it, so now I have ink all over my arm. It's a new tattoo. Anyway, you guys, hopefully I was able to edit this video and get it up on the same day that I just completed this bizarre DIY on Graveyard Girl. If you haven't watched that video yet, head on over there and watch that. I've done some very strange videos over there so far this month. But anyway, let's get even stranger on this channel. My newest passion for life is odd body creations, odd body Furbies, odd body all sorts of creatures. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today. And I feel like I talk more about it in a video that you guys are about to see. So hey, let's just unbox this thing. Guys, I feel like I need to make one of those videos where I spend a whole day like tidying up this room. Because I feel like I've just been filming one video after the other and never taking a single minute to clean. Also, this box is like so big that I'm not even getting any good like slicing footage. Ugh. I need like a slice cam attached to my head. This box today comes all the way from Australia, and you guys, I don't even know if anyone's gonna believe this or not. I ordered this in February, and I literally, there's so many boxes that I have of things that I ordered in February that I just like literally stopped opening my mail. What are we dealing with here? I can't even see. You guys can see before I see. What do you see? Oh, okay, we have some chunky styrofoam. We don't need that. We've got paper. Oh my gosh, okay. So now you guys can see the theme. Thank you so much for adopting this horrible boy. Also, I cannot thank you enough for not only supporting these bizarre things, but pushing them across the internet. Oh my God, it says, you were a big inspiration of mine growing up for the weird and the wonderful, and because of that influence, this and many other creatures would not have existed otherwise. So I'm eternally grateful. I hope you love him so much. By the way, you push the back of his head near his neck and he opens his mouth. Oh my God. Okay, so this is so amazing. I did not expect for this to be like a magical little bit of Swamp Family mail, but it is. Okay. So I'm sure you guys just saw from the picture what he is. And oh my God, this is gonna be amazing. I feel like our secondary camera is not doing us much good today. Okay. Time for the reveal. Oh my God. You guys, he's been stuck in this position for so long. Okay, let's unfurl him. Oh, wow. You guys, this one has a really articulated spine. Oh my God, look, he looks like a... Anyway, it's Elmo. I'm sure you guys can see. It's Elmo. I'm trying... Oh, there we go. Oh, you can like squeeze his neck. And it's like Elmo mouth puppet action can occur. It's so weird. I love it. Why do I feel like this would make just a wonderful scarf? I feel like I have to put some of the other artwork because it's so hilarious. There's like Elmo, it's like a big Elmo chair. I'm just gonna have to insert it in here and then you guys can see. But look at his little face. See, I feel like I'm not like this level of odd body. Although, you guys, now I'm just gonna give you guys a little sneak peek or just tell you about it. I am in the process of working on an odd body Teletubby. It has been a long time shopping for Teletubbies. I'm trying to take like vintage ones. And I'm gonna try and do something like this, but I'm gonna try and be able to make it like stand up on its own. And I don't know, I'm very, very intimidated. I have a couple like really fun like sewing DIY projects that I'm trying to do over the month of October. And hopefully I'm gonna be able to get the Teletubby thing done in the month of October, but I don't know. I don't really feel like that one has to be like a vlogaween video, whereas I feel like the other things are like specifically kind of like costumey kind of things. He might get pushed back until November, but I'm honestly intimidated to test out a thing like this because I do wonder how on earth she made this. Like, did she actually take a bunch of plush Elmos and like cut them all apart and string them together to make one super long Elmo? Or did she just like take the face parts off, like the nose and the eyes, and then like buy this kind of, you know, shaggy, furry Elmo fabric and then just make the whole thing? I have no idea. But I know the spines, I honestly hope the spine that I got for my project is gonna be this amazing, because I've been doing a little research about these, and I think what a lot of people use for a long Furby spine is it's like a bit of plumbing material. You can actually order them on Amazon for like $6, but I hope mine is gonna be this posable. I'm obsessed with the Instagram account called Long Furby Fam, and I actually just bought one of these little abominations from them as well, and I just am so obsessed with things like this. People are really like so creative with the different characters that I feel like they squish together and make like weird Elmos and like weird Teletubbies and weird Furbies, and it's just, I don't know, I love stuff like this. I feel like I'm giving Elmo like a very relaxing massage back here. So yeah, I feel like he should just sit on my chair. I used to have the Furby back here, but we actually like moved him into our other room. So there we go. Maybe now I'll have like just weird, amazing Elmo back here. Anyway, you guys, this was like maybe the shortest video ever that I've ever done on either channel. And if I was not so tired, I would honestly go ahead and film these, but I will just give you guys a sneak peek. Even though I feel like I swore we were gonna do the Keith Haring art Dunnies as the next unboxing, I feel like I said that, but I just found these and I feel like you guys are going to be so excited for them because they remind me a lot of the little 5 Surprise mini brands, but these are like wacky package foods. So they're like spoof, gross foods, and it even looks like they've got like some little like pens and pencils or something in here. I don't know. I'm very excited. So you guys leave me comments in the comments down below. Let me know if you want to do these like creepy, wacky package food things first, or if you want me to go ahead and still do the Keith Haring unboxing Dunnies first. Anyway, you guys, I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to film another video because I feel like I'm like so tired. My sleeping schedule has just been absolutely crazy lately. Like I'm trying to get on like a better sleeping schedule, but you guys know how that goes. Anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me for a very short period today. Also, check the info box because I will find this person's Etsy store and link them down below. I'm not sure. I think after I purchased this one, I saw that they did make another one, but I don't know. I don't know if they have any available now. If you want a long Elmo for yourself, but maybe they take custom orders. I don't know. Either way, I love it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you would like to be, and you're not already, I feel like I'm saying that very weird. Anyway, if you want to, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which will hopefully be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very soon. This exit row is a mess. Bye!